Before you start your digital presentation, it's important to plan it so it will be relevant, well-structured, and attractive. Your audience will definitely appreciate it. To illustrate this example, we will use PowerPoint 2010. You will notice that some presentation programs are somewhat different. Take the time to get to know the particularities and basic functions of the program you're using before you start to create your presentation. Before you design your presentation, you should also assemble all the relevant information you gathered in your documentary research. Find the information, charts, graphics, web links, and video sequences you need to support the ideas you want to communicate in your presentation. Your ideas can be supported by different sources that you will reference at the end of the presentation. Making a detailed plan of your presentation will allow you to position your ideas based on the allotted time, which will influence the structure of your presentation. Since your presentation will last a specific length of time, it is extremely useful to evaluate the number of slides you will present. To this end, calculate the number of minutes you intend to allot to each of the ideas you want to express, and then determine the total to make sure you'll have enough time to focus on the essential aspects of the presentation. In general, for a clear presentation, you should present a single idea on each slide. Planning also lets you establish the arc of the presentation, from introduction to development to conclusion. During your presentation, make sure that the audience can hear and see well. This is important. You also have to make certain that all the information that appears on the slide is completely legible. For example, it's best to use large, dark characters on a pale background and to avoid overloading each slide. For the best presentation, simplicity is in order for charts, pictures, and graphics. There you go. You're well on your way to structuring a presentation and preparing all the necessary input materials. Do your best to make your presentations as relevant, well-structured, and attractive as possible. Keep up the good work.